Another service elevator, number 3. I don't know if there's number 2. I haven't found number 2, honestly, but I found my number 3, which is here. And here it is, the passenger's elevator. This thing even show up? I mean, yeah, it looks like it shows up right now. Here, you can see it from here. Nice lights. I think I would go to 7 and see how 0 is doing. I can turn off the fan in this elevator, very nice. And here's a cab, which looks like shit. I mean, doesn't look too bad, but just, you know, no lights. This thing's pretty slow. Should I go down to floor 0? I guess we should try. Floor 0 is horrifying. You should never, ever, ever go down there. If you're a person just visiting here, if you're a weirder like me, you should, you know, go down. But today, it's no, no. If I'm going to get kidnapped on floor 0, call this number. We'll be fine, I guess. Floor 7, door closed it quick. Okay, I should prepare for something big. Okay, honestly, there is lights in here. It's not that abandoned, but you should better not be here, honestly. This thing rumbles when it goes up from floor 0. Good. By the way, if I'm trying to press floor 2 on every of these elevators in these places, in this place, it will never ever work. There's no access to floor 2 at all. And yeah, that's the state right now. Okay, let's go down to 0 again. The floor indicator numbers are not working here, which is kind of sad. And there's not a lot to see. By the way, the elevator number is a bullshit thing. They just put this number for nothing. I mean, other elevators just call 203, I guess. And no, this is not meaning that all this place has 200 elevators. This is not how it meant to be. Oh wait, we're on floor 3. I did this on automatic. Well, fuck. Whatever. This thing is rumbling a bit. Oh, toilet is here. Oh shit. Well, this is the hallway of floor 0. From here, I guess I'm done. Because I'm not going to stay here. I just need to stay away. Heard that little rumble there? You did? Good. Well. That's it.